lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I created these encapsulated glitter and butterfly nails using Macarte Clear Polygel and Modelones green paint. So now I'm just going to show you what I used all together in the set. So I used Macarte Clear Polygel, their top and base coat, their file, sorry I couldn't think of the word, their polygel brush tool, some slip solution, some stiletto nail tips and nail glue, some green paint, solid cream I think they're called, from Modelones, and the brush that comes with it, and then these glitters, one's Macarte and one is, the rest of them are from AliExpress, and then these butterfly little decal things that I found on Amazon. I will link everything down below in the description, by the way. So I've already stuck on my tips and prepped the nail. I didn't bother recording that bit because I do this in all my videos, so I thought I'd just skip that bit. So if you want to see how I prep my natural nail, I will link a video in the cards for you. I then go in with the base coat and I put an even layer on all of my nails and I cure for 60 seconds. By the way, if you can hear my fan in the background, I do apologise. It's very hot again because apparently Welsh weather is just really hot all of a sudden. I don't know why. So once I have done this, then I go in straight away with the clear polygel, putting some slip solution into a little dampen dish there as well, and cleaning, like soaking up my brush to make sure that all the bristles are wet. So basically this is the same as any application of polygel. I just pat, and so on and so forth. You'll see now in the video, obviously avoiding skin, because I always say, you know, there's allergies, you don't want them. So yeah, I'm just going to let you watch the application, and when we get to the encapsulated nail, I will explain what I am doing. So enjoy, guys. So now I'm going to go back in with that base coat onto my ring finger, and what I'm going to do is, before I cure, I am going to push two of the butterflies into the wet base coat along with some of the different glitters that I have here. I just randomly placed them on the nail. I didn't go overboard with the butterflies because they're quite bright and big, and you know, they're in your face as it is, so I didn't want to like fill the nail, but you can put as many butterflies and as much glitter as you'd like in this nail. So yeah, I pretty much do this. I then put a little bit, I sort of drag a bit of a base coat over those butterflies just to make sure that they are still in place. I don't actually touch the nail with the brush, I just sort of like drip drag it, if that makes sense. I hope it does. And then I cure in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in then with the clear and I cap again. If you don't have clear, guys, and you have like say pink, the other nails, or you only have a little bit of clear, you can do the other nails in any colour you want. you know, it's completely up to you. You can even go in with just polygel and avoid the painting. It's your choice. But I just wanted to use the creams, the solid creams from Modelones, because I love them and they are absolutely stunning. And I love painting them for some reason. I know that sounds weird. So yeah, I did put clear on all of my nails, but you don't have to. You can use any colour that you want. You can use a coloured polygel, a clear polygel. You can use paints, nail varnishes, gels, whatever you like. Is completely your choice. But anyway, I'm going to let you watch the rest of this application, and then I go in with my hand file and I do shape and buff the nail to make sure it's all smooth and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to put some music on for you guys to watch that, and I'll be back in time for top coating and painting. So enjoy! And I'm back, guys. So I've just gone into the bathroom and washed all the dust off with some hot water. No soap because of the oils, obviously, in soaps. And now I'm going to go in with my brush and use this cream, solid cream gel polish paint stuff from Modelones. Sorry, I can never remember the name. I think they're just called solid cream paints. And I do 2 layers of this in total, but this cream gel stuff is so opaque that you could get away with just 1 layer. I just like the look of the 2, and it's super creamy and super easy to work with and move around the nail. Obviously, if you get any on your skin, just clean up with a bit of acetone and a brush cleaner before curing. But yeah, I love this green. These set tint out really nice, and I'm really happy with it. So yeah, I really enjoyed this set, and it's very summery and pastel green. I just wanted to do a green set. I don't know why. But anyway, I'm going to leave it here, and I'm going to let you watch the rest of the application. I then, after curing this for 60 seconds, I top coated then and cured again for 60 seconds. The glitter nail is absolutely stunning. I think that I just want to do a full set of butterflies and glitter. But anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what sort of designs you want to see next. I hope you're all staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one guys. Bye!